This past weekend has been the worst weekend of my entire life. Saturday, I had to watch Orlando Pirates lifting the league title. As if that was not enough, Sunday I had to watch Mamelodi Sundowns lifting the CAF Champions League. Oh, but what does that have to do with Kaizer Chiefs? It has everything to do with Kaizer Chiefs. We are the Pancha Club. We are the only team from the Big Three that hasn't won the league title in over 10 years. What are we going to say now? Because before this season, we could ask Orlando Pirates, when was the last time you guys won the league? Because they had last won it in 2012, we last won it in 2015. What are we going to say now? They won more trophies in recent years than us. What are we going to say? As for Mamelodi Sundowns, don't even think about it. Don't even try chatting to them. Yeah, because since the last time we won the league, these men have gone and won two CAF Champions League titles. We have zero. They won millions of league titles. So don't even think about it. Yeah, don't even try chatting to Sundowns fans. What are we going to say now? What are we going to say now? This should be a fucking wake up call. You know, in the last 2 weeks, I've been sitting here and saying, you know what? Maybe Cedric Kazi and Khalid Ben Yusuf deserve the job. I mean, they've done a decent job taking a team that finished third, and they took a team that finished ninth, got them third. I'm like, maybe they do deserve a chance. But now that I saw Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns picking up major titles, no, it's a big no. I need someone experienced. I need someone who has won. I don't need a coach who's going to rock up in the fucking press conference with fucking stats of shots per 90, ball position for 90. Fuck all of that. Get me a coach who's going to challenge this man. Get me a coach who's going to win me trophies. I have had enough. I have had enough. These men are overtaking us. They are overtaking us. The only thing we can put on the table right now is the trophies we won during the apartheid era. That's the best we can do. We are on our knees. We are on our knees. Our standards are on the ground. This is highly unacceptable, mate. It's unacceptable. Yeah, this should be a big window. Bring me some fucking good players. Bring me some good players. Pirates went and signed 11 players, quality players. They played a really, really crucial role in them winning the league title. Sundowns, they spent 60 million on Brian Leon only in Jan. So this window, man, I'm fuming. I am absolutely fuming at this. Get me some quality players. Get me a fucking good coach. Get me someone experienced, someone who has won. Pitso Mosimane is available there, for fuck's sake, man. Get me a good coach. Get me some good players. Let's challenge. I've had enough. I've had enough. Season in, season out, we are crying. Season in, season out, you are being promised lies. For fuck's sake, man, get me some good players. Smash a like if you want to. I'm out.